Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, welcome. You know, as I always say, I'm always appreciative of you coming back and showing your girl some love. So if you want to know more, get the tea about this unit that I'm wearing right here, make sure you stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago. Every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble lacking everlasting ego. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego,
video on today is by Sensational, and this is it. It's part of their Butterless collection, and I have it in the style Glam Wave 24, and I have it in the color 1B, and it's supposed to be virtually HD lace, and it's supposed to be undetectable. It tells you everything about it, and these are the colors that comes with it. And on the back it tells you the difference between a regular lace and a buttered lace. And this is, so it's human hair and premium fiber blend. It has the lace was to blend with most skin tones, and it has a 5-inch deep parting space, and it's pre-plucked. It comes with baby hair, as you see, and I will say that it is pre-plucked. I mean, if you want to be extra, you can go ahead and pluck them all, but for me as a beginner, I think it's pre-plucked enough. It's like, and I got it from Wig Ties for, let me check the price, $47. Okay, $47. That's a lot of money, but with the Butterless series, it's pretty pricey because the quality is good. And if you want any of the specialty color, you're gonna have to pay a $4 upcharge, at least on Wig Ties, because that's where I got mine from. So if you want those pretty balayage colors, you're gonna have to pay a little extra, and then you'll be paying like $50 plus for the unit. But I went with the 1B because it looks very natural and I like it. And that's the hairline. I think the lace, it wasn't that hard to blend into my skin after I put a little bit of tint spray. It wasn't that hard. And it's ear to ear, and you can lay it down. With the cap construction, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable strap. And it is big hair friendly. It is very stretchy in the back. Like, I have my wig grip on with the cap attached to it, and I still have some room in the back for it. So that's good. That's really good. And then it was tangling. I think there's some part of in the video you can see that it was like I was getting snags as I like rubbed my hand through it, but once you brush it out and everything, it's fine. Like, I haven't gotten any tangling or whatsoever, and it was not shedding. It hasn't shed on me, at least when I took it out of the pack. But after I cut the lace, I think I cut a little bit into it, but right now it's not, I'm not getting any shedding or whatsoever. So overall, I love this unit. I love Glam Wave 24. 24 meaning that it is 24 inches, and it is stopping me like almost to my belly button. So it's pretty long, but I like how wavy it is. I love it. Has layers to it too, so that's also nice. I am loving this unit right here. And I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around.
Stepping on toes with these humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest.
Let me know what you think, and make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok at Love Your Crownz, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.